Alright, so we're going to be replacing the mirror cap of a 2016 BM. This is pre-facelift, but it might be the same for your BN 2016 onwards. So this has got the non-folding mirrors, and yeah, we're going to be replacing the mirror cap. First thing we want to do is angle the mirror inwards with the controls. So we're going to angle it inwards so that we can get our hand in there. Alright, once the mirror's there, you're going to slide your hand in there and push it out. There's 3 mounting points, so just be very careful that you don't break the mirror. Okay? Okay, you can see the white mounting points in there. So before we take the cap off, this is the replacement part number. Gone with genuine because we don't want to use double-sided sticky tape like those cheap AliExpress ones. So even comes with manual. Oh, let's not drop these. Install inspection. Inspect the installation area for illusionists. Okay, very thorough. Now look at this. This tells you the instructions. Tells you where the 3 clips are. Click, click, click. Click, click, click. And what's this one? Installation and user's instruction. Oh my god. Oh, another set of instructions. Not useless. It's basically the same. Same set of instructions. Click, click, click. Remove and install. Okay. And oh my goodness. This is the cap, gloss black, and you can see the clips, these clips. Three, 4. So these are double clips. 3 ones, this and these are guide ones. Okay, so now we know what we're looking for. We can go to the car. Remember those 3 double clips? So I'm going to use this little clippy tool. I actually use these for my electronics, and I'm just going to push in here. There's one up here, and there's one here. I'm going to push it through, squeeze them. You can use 2 screwdrivers if you don't have a special tool. It's, yeah, just for the sake of this video, easier to show it this way. So you squeeze them together and then push them outwards. And then what we can do is then use a trim panel tool to remove the cover. Old. new. Alright, very easy to snap back in. Couple of little hints and tips. There's this little tab you need to make sure you line up on the bottom before you clip it in. But other than that, just make sure it all lines up. Okay? And to get the mirror back on, so there's these two and that. You want to be very careful and push with your finger over those parts and not on another part of the mirror where you could actually break the mirror. But yeah, very simple. Alright, so here's the other side, the left-hand side, just mirrored, pun intended. The clips are just in the same direction, but same orientation, just mirrored to the previous one. So alright, just showing you this tab, little tab. Okay.